What's one thing you really want for Christmas?
Santa Body movie.
What?
Santa Body movie.
You already have the Santa Body movie.
No. The Santa Body movie?
You already have that.
No.
Oh, well, we'll find it. What else do you really want?
I want my own checkers.
Your own what?
Checkers.
How come none of these were on your list?
I want train.
Okay, say ho ho ho, Merry Christmas.
Ho ho, Merry Christmas.
Paxi, say ho ho ho, Merry Christmas.
Ho ho, Merry Christmas.
What do you hope you get for Christmas?
Snoopy Bubbles.
Snoopy Bubbles. Okay. So why are you guys gonna open Colin's? Why are you gonna open Colin's birthday or present first?
Because that was very nice of him.
It was, wasn't it? Okay, you wanna open it?
Yeah, let's open it.
He's opened the gift from Colin. Oh, what is it?
Spider-Man painting.
Oh, that's awesome. So what do you guys say to Colin? What do you say to Narockies?
Thank you, Naraki.
Paxton, that's right, Paxton. Paxton, wait, what do you say?
Paxi, look at the camera and say thank you, Narockies.
Thank you, Naraki.
Wait for Parker to go.
I am videotaping it, Parker. Smile. Look at Daddy and smile.
Daddy, that deer is awesome. Wow.
Okay, now open it. He just automatically looks at me this way.
Look at this dog.
See what that is, Parker? They're all different kinds of dinosaurs.
Is that cool?
So you can learn about the dinosaurs.
Are they soft, Mama?
Yeah, we'll play with them, okay?
Parker, look at Daddy. Okay.
Go ahead.
That's not how we want to get to the dog.
Paxton, oh my gosh, what is that, Paxton? Look at the bird on Dad's head. Oh, you got some new boots. Parker, Parker.
I'm helping him.
I know, but he can open now. Okay?
Paxton, right here.
Let him do it.
There. Get.
Parker, let him do it. Parker, he can do it. Parker wouldn't let him do it.
No, Dad, I just helping him.
Okay, you can help him take the tape out the box and let him open it. On the front is a little tape. Okay, now you can open it. Okay, open it from the front. Right here, Pax. Right here. Lift it open right there. What is that?
It's the Joker house. Paxton, now we can set that with our Batman
Here you go,
house.
buddy.
That's not new boots.
Oh, that's why you're confused. You thought they were new boots?
Paxton.
It's the Joker!
Paxton, it's the Joker house. Now, Paxton, now we can put it against the Batman house.
Yeah, you can put it together and you have a little Batman city, huh?
Now the little Batman city, Paxton. Because now we sit together.
Say cool beans.
Okay.
All right, let's see you open it.
What is that?
Batman car.
Bye each other, Pax.
So bye each other.
Okay, here we go. Pax, look at Daddy.
Cheese.
No, Pax, just wait, time out. Look at Daddy, guys. Say cheese, look at Daddy. Parker, say cheese. Okay. Fiona. Jeez, you're quick, Parker. What is that? Look at all those paintbrushes. That's what we don't ever have, isn't it?
You guys are gonna be artists, aren't you?
Mom, let's put them back. Put them here.
Come on. Can't really see.
What'd you get? Look at you, so smart this year. You put your picture by your stuff. He came. That's a good thing, right?
So you got off the naughty list, I guess.
What'd you get? What's you have stuff in your stocking too, but what's right here?
A new sweater and a hamster and aqua dolls and
You get your own pair of binoculars?
Binoculars.
Here comes Paxton. Here comes Paxton. You gonna see what Santa brought you?
Paxie, you slept a long time.
Come on, Paxton.
Look at both your guys' hair. It looks like they did a haircut.
Paxton, look at what Santa left you. Your own binoculars. And
Okay, Parker, just let them kind of soak it up.
Paxton, what is that? I think it's
It's a car.
Yeah, I think this is your stuff right here.
and Paxton, you got your own new shovel.
This is yours right here from Santa.
That's your shovel, and I'll get your stocking down. I'll get your stocking down.
Ooh, wow, that's yours too?
Here, Paxton.
Here, Pax, open up your stocking. Parker,
Open
just
your...
let him take it out.
Here, Paxton.
You got some new socks?
Put it up here, Parker, for him.
Paxton.
Here, Pax, you can take your stuff out. What's in there?
Paxton.
No, Pax, this is yours.
Look, this is yours. Here, open that. Get that
That's
out.
yours.
That's cool. Look at that.
No.
That one's
Oh, you
mine.
guys both got one?
We both got one, Paxton.
Hey, Paxie,
Put
that
this
hair
one
is
back,
sweet, buddy.
okay? And then, no, you can keep that one, Paxton. Paxton, you might have
Pax.
that on. You might have that in your
Yeah,
stocking.
open your stocking. That's your stuff.
Oh, here, Paxton.
Okay, let him take it out, Parker. Parker, let him take it out.
Take that one. Take it out.
I know he is, but he can do it. What'd you get?
A Diego watch, Paxton.
Is that for Dad?
No, for mine. Paxton, take it out again. Take one out. That's yours.
Put some of your stuff on the couch.
Put that on the couch.
Whoa, what was that?
Yeah. Paxton, take it out.
Anything else in there?
Yep, there's more.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Paxton, I'll help you.
Parker, to help you?
I'll help you.
What are those?
Oh.
What are those? New underwear?
You got underwear, Paxton.
What else is in there?
Paxton, let's see what this one is. It looks like Silly Putty.
Oh, you got your own silly putty?
Oh, there's one more. No,
There
that
is?
was... No. That's yours.
that pretty
Paxie,
sweet?
Paxie, what do you think this red thing is?
Paxton, do you want to try it?
Look at this, Pax. You have your own shovel now.
Oh.
Did you get your own shovel now?
Yeah.
Is that cool? Now you have one, just like Parker. Parker's is red and there's... Look at this. Look at this car. Want to try it?
Paxton, want to try it out?
Let's try it.
Oh, the binoculars.
Here.
Here, I'll put this.
Yeah, let's bring it out here once. See how it works.
Let's see how it works. Oh, Paxton, I think I know.
Okay.
Put your feet up. Just push
Put your
first.
feet up and then just turn. You turn this. There you go. Keep turning it. I think, right?
Yeah, Yeah, that's what you do.
Turn it all the way around now. Spin that thing around.
Spin it around. Yeah.
No, spin it all the way around.
It won't spin all the way.
Does it just move by itself?
No, you didn't see it. Shut it off,
Okay, ready?
Wait. Everybody take 2 steps toward me because you're too close to the pole. So we don't want to.
Good job. All right.
Parker,
Hold a hand. Here we go.
Ready? Ring around the rosy, like a golden ashes, ashes, we all fall down. We all fall down.